Hey there fellow car enthusiasts, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into something truly exciting, the all new 2024 Lexus LBX. Make sure you hit subscribe button and bell icon so you never miss any update from our channel. So let's dive in.
I don't really know what comes next, I'm just doing my best even though
The 2024 Lexus LBX is built on the Toyota Yaris Cross platform, sharing its architecture and hybrid powertrain. This compact SUV will serve as a high-end alternative to popular models like the Ford Puma, Volkswagen T-Cross, and Honda HR-V, while also rivaling the Audi Q2 in the premium segment. Pricing and availability. Starting in July 2023, the UK will begin accepting reservations for the 2024 Lexus LBX. Official pricing details will be revealed in October 2023 when orders open up. The first batch of LBX vehicles is expected to hit UK roads in March 2024. While specific prices aren't confirmed, the estimated starting price is around $38,199. This slots the LBX between the Toyota Yaris Cross starting from $31,833 and the Lexus UX. Styling, interior, and technology. The design of the 2024 Lexus LBX showcases a muscular and dynamic stance. It's less formal compared to larger Lexus models, presenting a relaxed and characterful appearance. The most noticeable design change is the front grille, referred to as the Resolute look. This grille breaks away from the traditional spindle design and features a single trapezoid shape beneath slim LED headlights. The LBX boasts short overhangs, flared wheel arches, and a distinctive rear design with a repositioned license plate and a full-width L-shaped light bar. Inside, the LBX offers a high-quality, decluttered cabin. Key controls are centered around the instrument display, including a 12.3 inches fully digital instrument panel, a first for Lexus. The infotainment system features a 9.8 inches touchscreen with cloud-based navigation, over-the-air updates, and the Hey Lexus voice assistant. Both wired and wireless Apple CarPlay and wired Android Auto integration are available. The LBX provides a range of interior options, including premium leather and a vegan-friendly option with synthetic materials. An optional Mark Levinson premium sound system with 13 speakers is also available. The boot space offers up to 332 liters in front-wheel drive models, with optimized shapes to accommodate luggage. Engine, performance, and fuel economy. The 2024 Lexus LBX is powered by a 1.5-liter hybrid powertrain, modified from the Toyota Yaris Cross. It produces 134 PS and offers smooth and refined performance, thanks to improvements like a balancer shaft. Acceleration from 0 to 62 miles per hour is estimated to take around 9.2 seconds, while exact fuel economy and CO2 emission figures are yet to be released. Engineers anticipate CO2 emissions to be below 120 grams per kilometer, suggesting around 55 mpg fuel efficiency. The LBX features an updated hybrid system with an advanced nickel metal hydride battery for improved acceleration, fuel economy, and electric driving capabilities. Front-wheel drive comes standard, paired with a CVT automatic transmission. An optional E4 all-wheel drive version is available, which includes an extra electric motor on the rear axle to enhance traction on low-grip surfaces. The LBX's suspension setup includes a MacPherson stud front suspension and a torsion beam rear for front-wheel drive models, while the E4 all-wheel drive version features a double wishbone setup. The vehicle braking posture control system helps maintain balance during braking and cornering. Exterior design. The exterior design of the 2024 Lexus LBX is captivating and distinct. Its front grille, known as the Resolute look, breaks away from the conventional spindle grille design, presenting a single trapezoidal shape beneath narrow LED headlights. This creates an aerodynamic and dynamic front-end appearance, measuring 190mm in length, 825mm in width, and 545mm in height, with a 580mm wheelbase. The LBX offers a compact yet stylish presence on the road. It's available in a range of colors, including two-tone options with contrasting black roofs. Interior design and features. The interior of the 2024 Lexus LBX is designed with simplicity and elegance in mind. The driver's cockpit follows the Tazuna concept, focusing on excellent visibility and intuitive controls. The LBX offers a 12.3 inches digital instrument panel in front of the driver, along with a head-up display option. The infotainment system features a 9.8 inches Lexus Link Connect touchscreen, cloud-based navigation, over-the-air updates, and voice commands with the Hey Lexus assistant. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration are available, along with an optional digital key for convenient access. Interior materials include semi-aniline leather, synthetic leather, and various trims. The LBX provides customizable ambient lighting with 50 color options and an optional premium Mark Levinson sound system. Engine and performance. The 2024 Lexus LBX is equipped with a 1.5-liter hybrid powertrain that combines a 3-cylinder engine with electric components. The powertrain delivers a total of 134 PS and ensures smooth and responsive acceleration. The LBX offers improved efficiency and refinement through enhancements like a balancer shaft, while official fuel economy and CO2 emissions figures are pending. Engineers anticipate CO2 emissions to be under 120 grams per kilometer, indicating fuel efficiency around 55 mpg. The LBX's hybrid system includes an advanced nickel metal hydride battery that provides instant and powerful acceleration, along with extended electric driving capabilities. The LBX comes with a standard front-wheel drive configuration paired with a CVT automatic transmission. An optional E4 all-wheel drive version is available, featuring an additional electric motor on the rear axle for enhanced traction on slippery surfaces. In summary, the 2024 Lexus LBX is a groundbreaking compact SUV designed for European markets, offering premium features, advanced hybrid technology, and a stylish design. With its unique character and innovative approach to trim levels, the LBX aims to capture the attention of a wide range of customers.